Welcome to the Analytic Moment. I'm Quentin Fisher, CEO of Healthcare Analytics, and this is a series on artificial intelligence for healthcare service providers. Last session, we talked about moving from analytic insight to a next best action. How do we embed these decisions or insights? Today, we're going to talk about how to automate billing processes with something called Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. There's actually quite a bit of buzz in the healthcare industry about RPA. So what exactly is RPA? Well, for those of you that have used Excel extensively, think of RPA as basically an Excel macro on steroids. What RPA does is it mimics the user's movements, and you can record mouse movements and then replay these. RPA is able to span across many different systems, your electronic health record, other applications you have, web pages, even go in and manipulate spreadsheets. If there's a repetitive carpal tunnel inducing set of processes that you have in your organization, then you can make use of RPA. Think of RPA as taking the robot out of the human. All those low-level repetitive tasks can be automated and allow your workers to work on the higher value stuff. RPA is actually a lot cheaper to implement than a lot of traditional programming. The reason is that we're actually surfing on top of existing applications and web pages. We don't have to build the solution from the ground up. We're just sitting on top of the solutions you already have. And there is some sophisticated AI inside of RPA, so if the underlying application changes a bit, the robotic processes can accommodate that change. We introduced RPA last session when we talked about a lightweight integration approach. We use RPA for this in a lot of cases where you don't have something called an application programming interface. When you don't have this API, we actually can use RPA to build, once again, this lightweight integration approach for a lot of your machine learning algorithms. We see a lot of use, however, in the claims processing area. We find that this is a ripe area for automation, given all the different players involved in the process, the different systems, and there's a lot of low-level processing that requires team members to span multiple applications and do some pretty tactical tasks. By setting up robotic automation scripts, we're actually able to dramatically reduce the cost to process these claims. And maybe even more importantly, we're able to process them in a timely manner so that claims don't age out. We have experts as well train the bots so that we know that we have expert level performance at a greater speed and consistency. We've just started to see the application of RPA in the healthcare space. Some characteristics of processes that are a good fit for RPA is anything that's really kind of manual, repetitive, transactional, a lot of administrative tasks, compliance tasks, and those that really span multiple systems. So some processes beyond claims processing that are good candidates include things like patient and employee onboarding, benefit assignments, so the insurance assignments for folks, making sure that that's correct and checking that, other data validation and cleansing processes. And as well, it can actually augment kind of human workers by just automating components of this process and not having the entire thing run on your RPA process. So now that you have a high-level understanding of what RPA is and where it can be used, we look forward to talking to you next week. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe to the channel and let us know your point of view in the comment section below. Also, get on our mailing list at hcanalytics.net. Thanks a lot. Take care.